In 3 minutes, together with some scholars and academics and researchers, we are very excited to share with you the news that very soon we hope to formally launch the Ecoinnovation Society. As of today, we're starting an informal working group to offer a platform for all of those people working on the field of eco-innovation. Because we know that many of you are working on eco-innovation studies, whether you call it eco-innovation, environmental innovation, sustainable innovation, clean innovation, green innovation. The Journal of Cleaner Production and the Advances of Cleaner Production Network is actually the place where many of this work has been published and many of the work has been presented. But a few of us for a number of years feel that there is an opportunity for the creation of an academic society as the right place to connect with other peers that are all over the world. 47 countries in the world have scholars producing materials focusing exclusively on eco-innovation. And interestingly enough, those very same countries, when you look at the greenhouse gas accounting, 70% of the global emissions are actually coming from those countries. So there is a relationship between the two. There is no coincidence. And to our count, there's more than 3,000 people in the world who has actually published something about eco-innovation, regardless of the term they use. So we want to connect and we want to put the dots together. So please reach out to us for this exciting project for the creation of the society that is aiming to produce, to become an academic network and having a newsletter, an annual conference, dedicated publications, books, journals, working papers, a PhD academy or a postgraduate early career researchers academy, because we believe in that it's very important to connect people, whether you're working on economics or engineering or social sciences or behavioral studies or design. It doesn't matter. I mean, we're all working in this field, and our students are a very, very important part of it, and also opportunity for mobility, for exchanging. You know, I know that China, Brazil, Italy, the UK, in many places, there is really interesting things happening. And now in a post-COVID world, we are connecting through this internet platform, but the face-to-face interaction and having the opportunity to connect with others we believe it's very important. So please contact us. There is an email, a dedicated email. The Ecoinnovation Society, it's an initiative it's an idea that started at the Innovation for Sustainable Development Network, which was created with funding from the European Commission. But now we are just a group of people, a group of scholars that are passionate about this topic, and we believe that it is an opportunity to connect. So please reach out to us personally or through this email, and so we can include your ideas in this very exciting project. And without any further delay,